Let's pretend we have a new project to start. Our company is working on delivering an off-road mountain scooter to market, and we have to get going on a design for the track mechanism. If we want to see any other active projects at a glance, the dashboarding capabilities in SOLIDWORKS Manage offer a crucial real-time insight into our data in an easy-to-absorb visual. In this case, with my project dashboard, I can see all active projects and even filter through to see which resources or assets have been assigned and their status. Before I create my project, I may want to make sure that my project manager has the proper amount of slack time to take it on, or I may want to group projects and sub-projects together. The project list capability makes it easy to get feedback on multiple projects at the same time, including access to charts and capacity planning to make sure you're working within your resources workloads. So everything looks pretty good, so as the project manager, I'm ready to create my project. To keep things as simple and streamlined as possible, we'll kick off our project using a process. Here, we are using a stage gate approach to ensure a smooth project completion and capture. This process will make sure the overall project goes through the correct stages and approvals and gives relevant stakeholders full visibility on our status, while our project manager can handle timelines and charts from a separate project record. So let's enter some top-level project information and send this through to the first project stage. This has automatically created my project record for me and linked it to our new process. This keeps everything in one location, so there's no need to go hunting for the project we're looking for. I can just open the project directly from the heads-up grid and notice that all the pertinent information has been automatically entered into our project record. All we have to do is enter the project management specific information, and we're ready to start scheduling. We can start our project schedule from a template. That way we can predefine our stages, milestones, resources, and we can even auto-create and auto-assign tasks. This saves a huge amount of time when setting up project schedules, and these can also be great starting points and easily changed to suit the current project requirements. Let's get going with some design concepts. Within our design stage, I can quickly create a task. Now, we can fill this out manually if it's a one-off task, but if it's a task that we assign on a regular basis, we can create and utilize task templates, which really speeds up the assignment process. All we have to do is enter some optional notes and attach any related files or records that may help the user out with their task and assign the task. If we don't want to track our tasks in a list, we can also keep on top of them visually with the task board, which is like digital sticky notes, and can be sorted and grouped to suit your needs, as well as a built-in burn-down chart. Our designer now has been assigned this task from the project record, but they prefer the SOLIDWORKS PDM interface. With a deep integration between SOLIDWORKS Manage and PDM, this is completely automated, and you can get your tasks in real time with the Manage add-in for PDM. Let's fast forward a little bit, and we can see that our designer has come up with an initial assembly. They can open the task they were assigned, attach the main assembly to the task, and mark it complete. SOLIDWORKS Manage automatically updates our project plan to give us instant feedback on if we're on track with our milestones or if we may be behind schedule. It also automatically adds any attached files or documentation to our stage deliverables so that any stakeholders can easily find what they are looking for when they need it and nothing is lost or missed. From here, I can review the initial assembly using a built-in preview and request any further changes needed. In this case, I noticed that we have a guard in our library parts that was accidentally left off the design. I can assign a task to add it and even add the guard to the bill of materials right from within Manage. When I do this, not only does the designer get notified with the task, but the guard shows up directly inside the Manage add-in for SOLIDWORKS, and the designer can start working with it immediately. We've already seen how deeply connected we can get with our different departments that have been traditionally siloed and left to their own devices. And we've only scratched the surface of the huge benefit that SOLIDWORKS Manage brings to the entire organization. To learn more about SOLIDWORKS Manage, contact Javelin today.